I'm from Not in the Textbook, and today we're going to be doing a little science experiment using chromatography. So today the aim is to see if we can split up the different colours in a felt tip pen. Now before we start, we need a see-through container. You can use a glass or a jar. I've just cut the top off a lemonade bottle there, so I've got a nice see-through one there. You need a pack of felt tip pens, some sellotape, I've got a posh roll, a pair of scissors, 2 pencils, a ruler and 1 sheet of kitchen roll. Now before we start, we need to fill our see-through container up. As you can see, just a little bit off the bottom there, enough to dip something in the bottom. And then we're going to take our ruler and measure 4 centimetres from the bottom of our roll of kitchen roll and make a mark and draw a straight line from there right across the bottom of our kitchen roll. As you can see, my line is drawn 4 centimetres from the bottom of the kitchen roll. That's very important to make sure that we've got a fair test. Right, now the next thing we need to do, we need to be very careful because we're going to be using our scissors. And we're just going to cut our piece of kitchen roll up into about 4 strips. Doesn't matter if they're equal all the way up, just make sure that they're as straight as you can possibly do them. There we go, so you can see there, I've got 4 pieces of kitchen roll and they've all got a little line all in the same place at the bottom. Right, and now comes the fun part. So I'm going to pick 4 different colours that I'm going to use in my experiment. So I'm going to go for orange, a nice purple, light blue and black. Okay, you can use any colour you want when you're doing this bit, and then all we're going to do in the middle of our line on our kitchen roll, we're going to do a nice big spot with each colour. Try and make sure they're the same size and that they're in the middle, but because we measured our line earlier on, we all know they're going to be the same distance from the bottom of the toilet roll. Okay, so you can see there, I've now got 4 bits of kitchen roll and they've all got a different colour spot on each one. Okay. Right, now comes the really important part. So we're going to take our first bit of kitchen roll. I'm going to go for the blue one first. I'm going to pop him into my container, just making sure the bottom goes in the water, not the spot. Then I'm going to wrap him around my first pencil, take a bit of sellotape and stick him on there. And because my pencil's wider than my container, it will stay there nicely now until the experiment. So what we're looking for now, as you can see, my spot is slowly getting bigger and rising up the kitchen roll. Now that will happen at different speed for all of these, for the different colours, and we'll be able to separate the different dyes we have in each felt tip. So, I've got a bit of a problem for you. I'd like you to do this at home. Show me all of the colours you can possibly do with the same experiment as this. And which colour do you think is going to reach the top fastest? Remember, once you've completed your experiment at home, just to take photos and send them into our SeeSaw classroom. There'll be a guide on the end of this video to make sure you can join it properly, and also the code will be underneath the video. I've been Owen Lewis. Thank you very much for watching Not in the Textbook, and we'll see you again soon.